All right, we have our KUMBIR. This is very popular in Turkey. I mean, it's cheap and it fills you up. So I got jalapenos, Russian salad, got potatoes with a bunch of appetizers on top. So with that said, let me just dive in and give you a taste what this thing looks like. So good. Oh, yeah, it's spicy. Whew. Definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. This thing was 145 local currency, which is like what, $5 give or take. İsmi nasıl söylüyorsun?
Onun mu?
Bunun.
Hot sosis.
Hot sauces.
Evet.
Tamam oldu. Teşekkür canım.
Teşekkür ederim.
Hi guys, the kumbir place is called Pot Sauces. Definitely amazing kumbir, pretty cheap, and it's a good sized potato. So definitely come by and check it out. This is the only location they have. They do not have another location. This is the only branch at Istiklal Street. And as you get closer toward the end of Istiklal Street, you're gonna find more shops that go deeper and deeper with more stores. All right, one of the things that you'll see towards the end of Istiklal Street is a famous church, St. Anthony Catholic Church. Very popular here in Istanbul. Hi guys, so this is called Osmanlı Macunu or Osmanlı sweets from the Ottoman days. That's what it stands for.